PDP. Is there going to be a coalition between PDDS or PDP with Lakas CMD?
No.
No?
No, I cannot. Because nandyan si Marcos. Hindi ako believe in he's really a weak leader. Kaya ako sabi ko, totoo yan, hindi ako naninira na tao. Talagang weak. Kasi spoiled child, only son. Of course, he can talk. He delivers English articulate. Pero ang-aral kasi kung saan-saan sa labas. Pero kasabihin mo may crisis, gano'n. He's a weak leader. At saka may bagahe siya. Noon nga sinasabi ko sa inyo.